waxaa dhowaan bilaabanayo dood dhex marayso musharaxiinta xaafadda Edmonton Centre ee doorashada federaalka ah Kanada. Mar dhow ayay bilaabanaysaa, musharaxiinta qaarkood weli gadaal ayay jiraan. Mar dhow bay bilaabayaan. Halkan ayaan kusoo gudbin doonaa kolley doodda iyo siday u dhacdo. La socda daawasho wacan.
The Liberals are building a future where every Edmontonian has the tools they need to thrive. Edmonton Centre is where I have strong roots. I raised my family here, I built my career here, and I understand the issues that most of us are facing and that matter to our communities. I've always been driven by one thing, and that is service. So years ago, that's why I became a pharmacist, and I saw firsthand how crucial it is to keep healthcare public. I continued serving my community for years as a lawyer, where I worked on cases that helped improve healthcare delivery. So one of them had to do with IV tubing and how it's placed on babies. And another one had to do with bathing of seniors in long-term care facilities. So, why am I running with Mark Carney? I believe that under his leadership, we are focused on real, practical, tangible solutions that will work for all Edmontonians. We removed the consumer carbon tax to put more money in your pockets. Next month, we're expanding dental care, and that will include thousands more Albertans, and it'll include the scope of services provided as well. We're investing in Albertans to train 21st century ready workforce and to strengthen critical sectors like construction and healthcare. A Pierre Poilievre conservative government will undo all the good work that we've done so far. It will hurt Edmontonians. We want to keep moving forward, to invest in people, defend public health care, and build an economy that works for everyone.
Thank you, Eleanor.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to be here, and thank you for this opportunity. The Communist Party has been existed in Canada for more than 100 years, and we've always fought for the interests of working people, and we've always spoken up fearlessly against a vision of the country where corporate interests and profits take precedence over human well-being and human needs. Now, this is a very important election. I mean, this is one where we're not talking about just whether there's a carbon tax. We're talking about a vision for the future of the country, the economy, the society, our position internationally. The American imperialism is kind of self-destructing right now. The American.
My name's Trish Estabrooks, and I'm running to be your Member of Parliament. It's so good to be here tonight on Treaty 6 territory, Amiskwaciwaskahigan. So I'm going to be really honest with you. I take the job of campaigning very seriously. I've been connecting with voters, many of you in this room, for the last year and a half, believing that good representation comes when you hear directly from people. And so for the last 8 years, I've served this part of our city as your school board trustee and chair of the Edmonton Public School Board. And I want to share with you that I am a fighter. I fought for public education, and I know what it's like to face tough competition. I stood up to Danielle Smith's government when she threatened to cut and did cut public education. I resigned as a trustee in solidarity with support staff workers when the government refused to pay them a living wage. I also want you to know that I'm a builder, I'm a collaborator, I connect, I listen, I help find solutions during the pandemic that put the kids and the parents and staff and their health first. I'm also a fiercely proud Canadian. For 2 decades, I helped tell the stories of Canadians. I worked for CBC radio and television and stations across this country. And I want you to know that I love our city. It's the city that's been home for me and my family for 18 years. It's the city that welcomed my dad into long-term care. It's the city that elected me to serve them as school board trustee. And it's the city and the people who live here who inspired me to run, who asked me to run to serve you. So now it's my turn to give back. This election is a fight for sure. It's a fight for what's fair and just and the kind of Canada we want to be in. It's a fight to defeat the Conservatives. It is an honor to be here tonight.
Thank you,
so much.
Tracy.